Under Penal Code 1203.4, expungement lets you withdraw your guilty or no contest plea, enter a not guilty plea, and have the court dismiss the case. That sounds like erasing the record, but it is more nuanced than that. The conviction is dismissed, but it does not vanish from every database, and it does not wipe your DMV record. To be eligible, you generally must have been sentenced to county jail, not state prison, and you must have completed probation or had it terminated early. You also need to have fulfilled all conditions, including fines, DUI school, and any community service. If you are still on probation, you can petition the court to terminate it early and then immediately file for expungement. You file a petition in the same court that handled your DUI. The form used is typically a CR-180, which is the petition for dismissal. The court reviews your compliance history, and in some counties a hearing is scheduled, while in others a judge rules on the papers alone. The process usually takes several weeks to a few months, depending on the county. A granted expungement lets you truthfully answer no to most private employer questions asking whether you have been convicted of a crime. That is a real, practical benefit for job applications. It also signals to landlords and professional licensing boards that you address the matter responsibly. Expungement does not help with every situation. You must still disclose the conviction when applying for a government job, a public office, or a professional license that specifically asks about expunged records. It also does not restore your right to own a firearm if that was affected, and it does not remove the DUI from your DMV driving record. If you face another DUI arrest within 10 years, the prior conviction can still be used to enhance penalties. This point is worth its own moment because it confuses a lot of people. Your court record and your DMV record are two separate systems. Even after a successful Penal Code 1203.4 expungement, the DUI stays on your public driving record for 10 years, visible to insurers and employers who pull a driving history. Beyond that, the DMV keeps an internal record that does not expire. Results vary case by case, and an expungement is a meaningful step, though not the final word on every consequence. Expungement under Penal Code 1203.4 can make a real difference in your life, but understanding exactly what it does and does not do is the first step. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.